Hey guys, Dotson guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Today I want to take a chance to show you guys our brand new 2019 Scout 275 Dorado. We have this one in the optional black hull color, standard inserted stainless steel rub rail, standard windlass on the front, and we have the optional Yamaha 200s on the back of this one as well. So we'll walk you guys to the back and then we'll step up inside. All right guys, now we move to the bow. I just want to show you how deep the bow entry is this. So you feel very safe and secure. You have armrests on both port and starboard for these dual lounges. Moving forward as well, we have a pop-out table, what my wife likes to call the mimosa bar, but otherwise just a small cooler right here in the bow. Up front, we did mention out front we have the stainless standard windlass, but as well as the bow boarding ladder option in this one. We have foot pedal controls, as well as rod holder cup holders right here in the bow. We do have the JL audio upgrade system, so you have the JL speakers in the front and the subwoofer and amplifier here to the back. Moving to the helm, true walk-through windshield, storage throughout this boat. We have a breakaway door and a flip window across. Systems access underneath the console, but true dry storage. Moving to the helm, we've got the optional 12-inch Garmin, as well as the Fusion stereo system. We've got power steering, push button start with our Yamaha digital 200s, glove box of charging ports, as well as battery charging system down below here on the floor. On the port side, again, we have the glove box with charging ports for our passengers, and we have the pump out head with the sink and storage down below with a port window. Now we'll move you guys to the back. We do have the cutting board with the 12-volt refrigerating system, prep bar and wet sink, storage everywhere on this boat. We do have the flip out seating. So we'll move through. This back seat flips out as well. So as you guys can see, this is a true sectional for entertaining, but it's easily flipped up and a true fishing cockpit. And we'll showcase some of those fish abilities here. We have port and starboard fish boxes, port and starboard live wells. We do have the optional Fender Pro option, so these are quick disconnects for your fenders. So you can switch from port to starboard easily without tying lines. Flip this in here. And we have our bilge access. It gives us access to all of our pumps, strainers, filters, as well as an aft storage for stern anchors and whatnot. Along with our hardtop above you guys, we have the pod speakers of the JLs, integrated lights, grab handles on the hardtop for security as you're moving about, but as well as we have the optional sure shade option. And it's just as simple as flipping it out to deploy it, and you have 2/3 of the boat all covered in shade. You push these tabs, and the boat converts right back to a day boat. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed your tour of our 2019 Scout 275 Dorado. Again, if you guys have any questions or like any more information about this fantastic model, please give us a call at 843-747-1889. And again, I'm Dotson Guys from MarineMax Charleston. Thank you.